what she got.
This.
Oh my god. And like
Hi guys. Okay, wait, I haven't vlogged in like 2 days because I've been busy with summer school. But today we are at Expo. I just got my volunteer stuff. I'll show you what's in the bag. Polo shirt. Then I got a letter. I don't know what this is. I'm so excited for K-Days, guys. It's almost near. From today, it's like 10 days today. Okay, so funny thing, I met a guy. He's old. He likes F1 and we were vibing so hard earlier. I got my pretzels and I got the blue cheese. Hi guys, I'm with Hannah and Sophia.
we're going to
Yes,
So we are going to
that thing.
wearing Lululemons.
We're getting the suits.
Military guys, we actually
Hi guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but I can hear myself. Did you push it? Oh my gosh. Dude. I can't see you right now.
Hi.
But we just finished shooting. This is my ganja. This is my kid.
We should bedazzle it.
Make it pink. I can't freaking breathe. It's so hot. Look what she got. So cute.
So many.
I'm so tired already. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get hurt. I'm scared. I'm scared. Scared. Hashtag scared.
See people.
I'm scared. What if my phone gets hit? We run out of ammo because this one is soggy. Ah! No more. Hi guys, I can't breathe. I got the goods, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Good job.
Yeah, maybe. Hi guys!
Hi guys! I know my hair is kind of right now, but okay, this is not the final hair. But I don't really want to brush it either, because if I brush it, I'm gonna lose it quickly. Anyways, guess where I'm going? I'm going to Katie's. Oh my gosh, it's coming together, but yeah, today I'm going to Katie's. I'm so excited to spend money on cute stuff that I don't need, because there's gonna be a market inside the expo, and I'm also excited to do like an extreme ride. Like, you know, last year during K-Days I tried the Vikings, and that's not even the most extreme ride over there. There's like the Ring of Fire and stuff, and I was crying. So yeah. Anyways, everyone's panicking in the group chat because all of us are getting ready, and we're supposed to be at Century by 11 a.m. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I actually like it. Yeah, it's good.
We're leaving the bus driver's room. Who's driving the car? Okay. You want me to hold it?
Oh, we arrived here at Hall A. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, it smells so bad. I want to go in. Oh my gosh, it's looking at
Big boxes. Oh my gosh. This is like us. That's a joke. Oh, where the drinks were. Only one. That's literally us.
It's so funny. George Russell. Yay! This used to be the buses back in the day. Wow! Hi guys, we are almost there to meet Sophia. Guys, they're here. We finally saw them. When I went here yesterday, this reminded me of you.
She's racist. She's racist. This one's sorry. It's a lucky.
Yeah, it's a lucky. No way! I'm gonna cry. I want that one. Like 5 minutes in the market hall, I already have something in my hand. This is the only reason I go to K-Days, to check out the market. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Takoyaki! Oh my gosh. I'm such a takoyaki girl. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing takoyaki left and right. I just broke my tripod. I'm gonna buy one. My tripod's gone. We got food.
I think they gave us.
It's okay.
We get one more. They kind of like mashed everything.
Wait, this is low-key hazardous. Oh, what'd you get? What flavor is this?
Like sour cream and cheese.
Ooh, oh my gosh, our favorite.
If you drop one more, that's like $1 off. Sorry. And like some with macaroni too. That is so. I stabbed you with my fork.
I'm having a panic attack for them. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous, guys. My passenger princess of the day. It's starting! Where we going? No! Oh shit! Oh shit! No! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! We're done!
Hey Cooper, how's it going?
Guys, I used to do this ride already. I did this already before. Why am I scared again? Gosh! Can you hold my hand? I'm low-key scared. Why did it stop? Okay, so now we're ordering food. Do you guys want to take pictures later?
Yeah.
Like parang low-key pictures lang.
Yeah.
What I got. If it matches up to my pasta standard.
There's 8:30. 8:42. I mean different. Those are different.
It's very sunny now.
Thank you guys. Okay, head up. Good. And we're out. Nobody's the first.
5 minutes in the market, I already have something in my hand. Teriyaki bomb.
Okay.
Let me open it.
Igatin mo pa.